Yeah, this is like a new tool called Open Interpreter, which is something interested. It has so many fork, it has so many stars, some issues, but it's an open source, and you can use ChatGPT for any model on OpenAI, and you can run it on your own desktop, which is something good. In my case, I'm using Anaconda, which is I prefer to use it for installing such a tool because you can make your own environment as easy as you can. It will be so easy to do it. So we'll say create. Let's say Anaconda create. New, we'll name it OP interpreter. Okay, and then we will install Python 3.11.5, and then we will hit enter. It will take some minutes till it can install it. Okay, so seems that we install everything. Okay, so now I have to go to the environment, be open, trans open interpreter, OPI interpreter, open interpreter. Open-ter, sorry. Okay, so now we have to hit pip install. Open interpreter. Now it will go and install open interpreter. Okay, looks like we're done, so we have to do just right interpreter, and it's supposed to be working. This is just my antivirus just checking files. Okay, just save. Now that's what we got. Just you have to use your own API key for the OpenAI, and here you go. So let's just try to ask a question. So I will mention that list for me. Top 10 NLP models, let's say. Okay. We're just trying to install some library. Yeah, okay, go ahead. So it's asking for some library. Okay, no problem. So we'll mention, we'll ask another question. Let's top 10 transformers models, AI models. Here we go, we have some answers, bird, so on. The good thing of this tool that you can use it from your own command line. So you don't have to log into the OpenAI and to chat with it, so you can use it in your own machine. And you can use some language model at your own machine, but if you have a good hardware, it will be something good. That's it. So we can switch from the ChatGPT 4 to 3.5. So we'll mention interpreter, double hyphen or double dash fast. Okay, it seems kind of understood, so we'll exit. So we'll mention interpreter, double hyphen fast. Enter the line fast. There you go, you can see it here. It's interpreter fast. There you go, and just post your own API key and you can go again. You can ask a question. So can you code for me like a landing page using HTML and CSS. Just a simple one. And here you go. It will type the codes. And here we go. So can I get CSS? This is the CSS. That's it. So we have an HTML code page, a landing page, and we have a CSS. And that's it. You can just hit Control C and you can get out. I think it's a good tool. I'll leave the link at the description for the Anaconda and for the Open Interpreter. Thank you very much and have a good day.